Hello, people. So, here I'm back with another interesting test case. Recently, I was doing an implementation for a multi company, and they were having almost 70 plus entities. When I talk about entities, it means parent, child, and sub child relationship. So, to add 70 plus entities in Odoo, it's a bit difficult task. I won't say it's a bit difficult task, but you should know what to do, when, and how, right? So I already completed that particular task and thought of sharing the same with you, because manually creating parent companies, child companies, or maybe branches, it's a bit difficult thing, and there are a lot of people who still don't know how to do that the correct way. So here in this particular video, all your queries will be answered, all your queries will be resolved. And in this video, I'm going to consider three level of companies you can consider. So to give you a short brief, here I'm going to here I'm going to take this particular test case. So India and US will be my parent company. Gujarat, Maharashtra, and MP, Madhya Pradesh, will be my child companies or branches, and this Gujarat branch is furthermore divided into two sub branches, that is branch number one and branch number two. The similar thing can be done for the US as well, but I have just taken the US to give you reference. All right, now let us jump to the Odoo's database. For that, we will open the companies. Here you can see I already have created one company here. So what I will do is I will my first step should be to create parent companies or to upload the parent companies. So this one and two will be my parent companies, but in your case parent companies can be more, so but that is fine. Usually what happens is parent companies are less but branches are more. I'll come to that point as well. So I'll first click on import records, upload data file, test sheet. All right. So here you can see I have just taken two things. One is company name. I have added a company name and I have added country. That's all for parent. In case if you want to add furthermore address, you can do that too. How you can do that? I'll show you my sheet when I upload my branches. That is for the India country. Let us just test this. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, perfect. Everything seems valid. Thank you. Do import. So once, okay, so my record is imported. Again, let me go back to my companies. So here you can see my two parent companies, that is my Indian company and my US company, are already imported. Now, what I need to do is I need to open one of my company. Under that, here you can see I have an option to add branches. Now if I want to upload branches, there should be some option to upload that, right? But I don't have that particular option. So what Ashish will do, the best thing is I will create one branch manually. Okay, so for that I will manually, let me just go back and show you my Indian company branches. By the way, general information, here you can see India is already added. I'll click on add a line. So my company would be, so here you can see in India my company is Gujarat. So what I will do is I'll just simply copy this and paste it here. City, street, and all I'm not uploading as of now. Let me in country. Let me just quickly add India, or I don't need to add that as well. Odoo will automatically pick the country from my parent, so that is fine as of now. So you can see I have added Gujarat. Save and close. That's all I need to do. In case if you want, okay, fine. In case if you want, you can add the city as well. So here you can see Odoo has automatically picked up the India. Perfect. Now I have an option for branches. You can see from here I need to import all my branches. Just make sure, if you are following this particular video, follow these steps very carefully. If you missed any step, you will end up creating multiple companies, multiple branches and multiple sub branches. All right. So again, we will open branches. Here I open branches. This is where we need to upload branches. So these are all my branches, right? Click here, import records, upload data file. I need to make some changes in this file because I've already uploaded this one. Let me just delete this. All right. Here I will select my sheet called IN. Now here you can see I have added company name, street 1, street 2, federal, state, city, and all those stuff I have already taken. Okay. So here system is giving me an error. The fiscal year of last must be same as a root company. Okay, Odoo, no problem. How to resolve this particular error? So for that I already have a solution. Basically what Odoo is saying, the fiscal year of the last month of a subsidiary company should be same as the root company. Okay. So we already have a field here called fiscal year and fiscal month. Okay, I'll just copy this particular field and paste it here. Okay, so you can see fiscal year and fiscal last month. I'll just copy this as is. Okay, now let me save this, and now we will try again. No problem, Odoo. I think you want me to do extra work. No problem. Sheet 1 IN test. All right, so here you can see now it is working. Let us quickly click on import, and with Gujarat other two companies should also be imported. My bad, not companies but branches. So there you go. Under the companies I have my India company. Gujarat was already created. MP and Maharashtra was created using import and export method. Right now it might be sounding, or it might be looking very easy for you, but when you will be uploading 80, 90, or 100 companies, anything about 25 to 30 will is a headache. It's pain. If you are dealing with more than 20 or 25 companies, it's pain. It maybe sound very easy in the video because I am giving very easiest example, but when it comes to 25, 30, importing 25, 30 companies and with subchilds and all those address stuff, it's complicated, man. It's complicated, but that's why here I am, to make your work a lot more easier. So here you can see this is already uploaded. Now I need to upload the branches as well, but for Gujarat. So what I'll do is again the same trick. You should know where to upload which sheet. That's all. Right now I need to upload branch of Gujarat. I'll manually create one. You can see I have already created that sheet. So sheet 1. Let me just save this, save and close. So my one, okay, Odoo, fine. My one branch is already created here, you can see. Now after clicking on this I will be able to upload all other branches. As this is already uploaded, I'll delete this. Maybe I'll just control X. So here you can see I have street, city, state, and all this blah 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 stuff, but I'm not using this as of now. But if needed, you can use that too. So again, import records, upload data file. Make sure you are selecting the correct sheet, not the file, but correct sheet. So here you can see I don't have any. Okay, company name must be unique. So I guess TJ1 is already uploaded. So what we will do? Okay, your system is okay. So this is not saved yet. My bad. Let me just load the data file again. Test sheet. GJ. Perfect. Okay, last month error again. Not an issue. We have the solution for you as well, mate. Just copy this, paste it here. We don't need all this stuff. Just delete these. All right, save. Let us again load the data. Dash sheet open. Oops. Test. It should work now. Import. There you go. So here you can see we have imported the branch for Gujarat as well. Now coming on to the starting point, my India company, 3 branches, open branches. We have this branches, and under the branch as well, we again have sub branches. You can see GJ1, GJ10. If you open that, branches, GJ1 and GJ10. If you want to further go ahead one more step, just manually create one branch, and this city state you can already add this. So this is how you can add parent company, connect branches or child company. Also you can connect branches of branches, then branches of branches of branches of branches, n number of branches you can add by using this method. In case if you have any doubt or any query in this particular video, or if you have another query regarding Odoo, or you have something new test case which you think Odoo cannot handle, feel free to bring that on. And if you want this particular Excel sheet, just do let me know, do ping me over the LinkedIn, and I'll share the sheet with you. All right, thank you, meet you in the new video.